People who are regarded as disabled or have a record of a disability, they're also protected by the ADA.
Protected from discrimination because they're thought to be disabled?
It scares me. How do we know if they're thought to be disabled?
Well, don't ask them. As a matter of fact, if you're interviewing an applicant, it is not legal for you to ask any questions about medical history.
Fine. So what happens if you don't hire them or you don't promote them and then they claim it was discrimination?
And you didn't even know about it?
There are no legal obligations until you're aware that there's a disability.
But once you find out, no matter how, it's a whole new ballgame, right?
That's right.
And we could all get into a whole lot of trouble.
You know, I have a feeling I may already be in trouble.
What do you mean?
Thelma. She's been passed over for promotion again. With her son-in-law studying law, Thelma could come up disabled.
Jenny, if she's disabled, you may hear about it.
I'm sure.
This is crazy. I mean, what do? We suddenly start treating all the Thelmas differently, getting a new phone, a different chair, different lights? I mean, that could cost a fortune.
No, Joe, no way. Now, if they've been functioning well on the job, you can safely assume that no accommodation is necessary.
But what if someone shows up in a wheelchair to apply for an accounting job? That's disabled, right?
If they can't walk, that's disabled.
But if the person applying for the accounting job can't run a computer, I'm safe if I don't hire them or even offer to make an accommodation.
That's right. If the disability that keeps them in a wheelchair has nothing to do with the training they don't have, you can ignore the disability.